Additionally, I'm not familiar with how sales calls work. What kind of phone setup is typically used? I just use high level. Should I use my own phone? Well, again, you guys should have a good CRM. I use high level for that. You can use any CRM. I use high level. High level is a CRM, marketing automation. All the services that we sell as front end services now are high level, are fulfilled through high level. Lead generation sites, Google Business SEO, review generation and management for clients. Those are our 3 front end services. That's done through high level. Those are all functions of high level. And our high level is the CRM, the call it. We can use it for calling, SMSing, email. It's not great for emailing. It is for conversational emails after the lead has been generated, but it's not good for cold emailing. But I do have, as part of my program, set up the instantly is what I use for cold emailing, just so you guys are aware. Okay, great question. Again, I think one of the best questions that we've had all year, guys. I would teach on that exclusively if I could, but I know a lot of people want to hear SEO talk too, so we'll talk about that too. But I want to see you guys make more money. I really do. And again, that's what the DHA program is for, guys. It's to help you guys, those of you that are in the local SEO space as consultants or agencies, to make more money. That's what it's for. That's why I really find it hard to believe that there's not a line of people ready to join. But most people just want to learn SEO and they don't want to learn how to actually generate a ton of revenue from it. I prefer the latter, to be honest with you.